So this is US oil analysis for Tuesday, 31st of July. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we did see a breakdown for a near perfect test of that 68.19, came in within a couple of cents of that 68.19. And prices moved to the upside, brief pullback, saw the acceleration momentum from this bit of a flag that developed. Saw the acceleration momentum taking us through 69.51, taking us beyond the $70 barrel mark. Didn't quite get up towards that 70.79. Instead, what we did see was prices did turn around in around that. It looks like it appears to be the 70.40s. Had some difficulties. Tested the 400 period moving average. Brief pullback, posted somewhat lower highs, and saw the breakdown from this 400 period moving average. So if we do see this continued retracement here to the downside on the US oil, we then look and see our prices react around that 69.51 if we can find support there. If we do hold support at 69.51, we're then looking for acceleration momentum to the upside towards that 70.79, successful break from which we then look for price head up towards that 71.50, and if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 71.50 in the coming days or so, the very next level of note is of course the 72.39 here on the US oil. If, however, we're not able to hold the 69.51, let's get it correct. If we're not able to hold 69.51 for potential support, we're then looking for a breakdown in prices down towards the very next level of note, which is of course the 68.19, previously an area from which we have, bear with me a second here. There we go. So previously an area where we have found support in around 68.18, and if we did see quite a bit of a momentum here to the downside beyond 68.19, we were then looking for price head down towards that 67.73, and again we've previously found support of 73 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart, we can see we have our lows. We do appear to have formed higher lows here, despite having a very sharp sell-off from the $75 barrel mark. We have had prices come down towards the in around $67 a barrel, and we found some support. We found support around $67 a barrel. We've broke above 69.51. Do appear to be going for a retest, so if we can hold and see an acceleration momentum to the upside, we'll see our price direct around that 72 or that $73 barrel mark, and there remains a possibility of a head and shoulders here from a daily chart perspective. So we'll see, which is a bearish price pattern. So we'll see if it does play out, if we do see this continued recovery towards that 73, in around that $73 a barrel, from which we could see a sell side momentum come into the market if this head and shoulders does come into play here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.